Hello and welcome to this YouTube video. In this video, I'm going to give you important announcement that I'm going to launch in this channel. So the important announcement is that I'm going to launch end-to-end machine learning course, which will be starting from beginning to advanced level in this machine learning course. As there are many machine learning courses which are freely available on YouTube or other free resources, so why should you follow this course? Because you will see that in other free resources they only talk about algorithms, ML algorithms, but they don't talk about how to optimize their algorithms or use feature or other kinds of. There are many factors. So in this course you will not only learn algorithms but also learn how to optimize the optimization techniques and how to use ML algorithms effectively, and there are a lot more that we'll study in this course. So that's why you should follow this course. And what you will get in this course, you will get on-demand videos on the quality content in this course. You will learn machine learning from very basics to advanced level in machine learning that you need to know. And the very important, you will get a very useful resources that we'll talk just in a second. And the last but not the least, you will get enough knowledge that you need to know in machine learning that the companies are looking for. And we have talked about resources. So what resources that you will get in this course? First of all, this course will be divided into sections. So after the end of every section, you will get the notes of each section in the description box for reviewing of understanding. And for checking your understanding, we are also giving away for practice questions or quizzes after every course sections in the form of PDF, and the notes will be also in the form of PDF. Now, what about prerequisites of this course? The first prerequisite is that, and the last prerequisite is that you should know at least one programming language. That is enough, although we will use Python programming languages, but okay, it's okay that you know other programming languages. Okay. And last but not the least, you should at least know Algebra 1 and Algebra 2. No needed and any kind of linear algebra or calculus. Mathematics for machine learning will be taught in this course. So don't worry about it. Don't go here and there. Just be here, be in this channel, and you will get a mathematics for machine learning also. Now, I have prepared some of the FAQs. So let's see what are the FAQs of that. So the first FAQ is that, is this a course free? Yes, this course is absolutely free, and all the content and resources are also free. Where this course will be uploaded? This course will be uploaded on New Era YouTube channel in end-to-end machine learning playlist. And the last one but not the least, how much time it will take to complete this course? This course will take at least 1 or 2 months, and 1 or 2 videos will be uploaded daily. And these are the some FAQs that I found. But if you have any kind of other question, please comment down below. I will be happy to answer that. Now I think that you got what this course will be, and if you want to follow up this course, be sure to subscribe this channel, press that notification bell so that you never miss this course videos, and share it so that others can get a benefit also. Recall, sharing is caring. So thank you for seeing this video, and meet you in the course.